Welcome back to the vlog. If you guys couldn't already tell by my background, I'm gonna be doing some garage stuff today. But today is a very exciting day because we're switching it up. I got a new camera, so I'm super excited to be playing with this today. That's kind of why I decided to come over here and make this vlog. And we're actually doing some race car stuff today. So I'm really excited to bring the race car back on the channel because it's been a minute. All right, here we go, cold start. Alright, the garage door is closed, the race car is officially up on jack stands, and now I can tell you guys what's going on. I'm going to be driving Horse Thief Mile for the very first time tomorrow. I'm super nervous because this is a very challenging track, and not only is it a very challenging track, it is dangerous. There are safety requirements that your car has to meet before you are allowed to even step foot on that track. This has been a track that's always kind of been a dream of mine to drive, but it's also been one of my biggest fears. I've always been really nervous to drive this track. The reason that I'm so nervous to drive Horse Thief Mile is because, for those of you that don't know, it is on the side of a mountain essentially. It's a track at Willow Springs International Raceway. It's a lot of the drifters' favorite track because when you get it right, it's really fun and it just flows really well. But you could wreck really bad at that track. It's very dangerous. I've seen people flip their cars over at that track before, and most people that do end up messing up on that track go home with broken parts. So it's a little bit intimidating, but I feel like I'm finally ready to drive that track, and I feel like I've been ready enough for a little while. It's just that this car has always given me so many problems that I didn't trust the car to take it to the track, but I think that I'm finally ready. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to nut and bolt check this car just to make sure that everything's tight, and then I'm going to unwrap this car. So originally when I dropped my car off to Extreme Wraps, they started unwrapping my car, of course, and then they were forced to close their doors because of quarantine. So my wrap is in a very weird space right now. They offered for me to leave the car at the shop, but I just wanted to have it here with me in case if I had the opportunity to do a track day or to fix anything or upgrade anything or whatever I wanted. I just wanted to have my race car with me. So I'm going to unwrap most of this car. Come to check out the new camera or what?
I was in the neighborhood.
You want to play?
Ooh, that thing's beefier than the other one.
Isn't it nice?
It's nice.
Alright you guys, I just finished nut and bolt checking the car. I went over everything. Obviously I didn't film everything. I didn't want you guys to have to sit through that torture. But Dave just got here because I was telling him that I just got my XT4 in the mail. I was telling him how excited I was about it with all the new features and stuff. And he wanted to come over and play with it to get some B-roll. This is the end of an era for me. This is my very first livery is gone forever. So I'm actually gonna have stickers of the car's livery available probably by the time this video comes out, I think, because I'm getting the first batch today or tomorrow. Oh my gosh, how I have missed this blue. Okay, now I'm really stoked to get the rest of this car unwrapped because let me just show you how sick this is gonna look. Look at the bash bar with the fender. This is all gonna be blue. Everything's gonna be blue, including the roll cage. Oh God, I'm so excited now. side of the car is officially blue. How's your side going?
I'm also blue.
All the way? No, you're blue, because you're sad that your name's not on the door.
Give her an applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, we've got the car completely unwrapped, at least to the extent that I wanted it to be unwrapped. I wanted to leave the top of the car black with the wrap. I know it's really dirty. I'm sorry, I'm going to wash it as soon as we're done. But I wanted to leave the top of the car black with the wrap because I think it's a kind of cool contrast, especially with the black wheels. And my hood and my wing were never actually painted because I got them wrapped almost right away after I got them on the car. So I figured leaving the black glitter wrap on the top would be kind of cool. We need to drive over to my dad's house really quick to go and pick up the truck and trailer because that is one minor little detail that I actually forgot about that I definitely need for tomorrow.
Yet another trip.
It's always something, isn't it?
You know who Fred Sanford is? All you young people don't know who Fred Sanford is, look it up on the internet. And you see, I'm coming, Weezy. I'm coming. That's Fred Sanford.
Alright, we have secured the bag. You secured the bag.
Cam, look at, he's excited.
I know, he's really excited. Look at the tail. Just got back to the house, put the car on the ground already. Now all that's left to do is give her a little bath and put her on the trailer and we'll be ready for tomorrow. Alright you guys, that is all we have for prepping this car. We are officially ready for Horse Thief Mile. I'm super excited to go to the track tomorrow. If you haven't already, turn on your post notifications by ringing the bell below so you don't miss my next upload. I will see you guys at the track. Bye!